All right, you're welcome to the third video. You're welcome to the third video where we'll be trying to finish this simple web page. Um, yeah, we have already made huge progress. So the goal is to try and finish what we started. Okay. Now, in place of this second div, in place of this two, we are going to be having. I want to bring out another div so that I could easily move it around inside this div. I don't want to tamper with the position of this div. I want to have another div inside so that I can easily move it from one part of my screen to another. So I've removed the two, and I should be bringing out this text we have here. So I'll just simply copy this, and yeah, create a paragraph tag that looks much like a paragraph tag, and then I paste it inside. And if I should go to my browser, I should be seeing it as a black color. Okay, so it's to bring out the other content, simple HTML website page. Okay, so I'll bring it out as a header, and then I paste it here. Going back, I have it there, and then the next is give your listeners a professional record of your work. So in place of all this actual content, I am going to be showing us how to create dummy content. Now you could be building a website, and you don't have content, or your content writer, your content creators haven't given you anything to work with. So there is a way you can easily create dummy content, and VS Code gives us that. So H3, and the way to do that is simply by typing lorem, and to define the number or the amount of text you want, I could attach a number to it, and I will say 10, lorem 10, and it gives me 10 dummy contents, 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10 is looking too much, so I would just manually remove a couple of them. All right, so that makes more sense. And next is okay, I already have 1 2 3 1 2 3, that's good. So the next thing is to bring out these things that have dots before them, and we can do that by using the list tag. Okay, remember we did list tag for the navigation bar. So ul, and then I have one, I have two, I have three, I have four. Oh, let me just go and count it. Let me count it. 1 2 3 4 5. We have five contents. 1 2 3 4, and all right. So instead of me to just copy and paste, I would love to type it out. So I could shrink this. Okay, let me just try to resize my screen since I'm trying to get contents from my browser. Okay, so yeah, I think I can move this part now, and I will enlarge it. So I just need to see what I want to get contents from. All right, okay, so let's go. All right, the last one is a repeated content, so I would just say lorem 5. Oh, I didn't spell lorem correct. Lorem 4. Okay, so going back to my browser, I should enlarge my browser, and All right. So I want to now move. I want to position it just like what I have here, and the div I created before. I created the div before, and I will locate that div. This is the div, and I will give it a class. Let's say div2. Div2. You can call your class anything, but there are rules in creating class names. There are rules to creating class names. I can't talk on that now. So I'll go to my CSS part and call it properly. Okay. Yeah. So I can now say my margin. What's happening? Margin. This would respect the margin from all sides. Margin should be let's say 20 pixels. Let's see what it gives to us. All right, so I would say 40 pixels. Okay, so it's looking like what I want gradually. So let's say 80. Trying to just position it anyhow. Okay. Let's not use the margin from all sides now. Okay, there's a shorthand for margin. The top, right, bottom, and left. Okay, so I want to push it from the top and from the left. So I would locate it top, right, bottom, left. So I'm going to be working with this first one. The top should be 30. Oh, not 300, please. That'll be outrageous. And okay, 30. So going back, I need more height from the top. So let me double it, 60. Okay. Make it 120. All right, this is looking much better, and it's too much. 100 should be preferable. Okay. Now I want to change everything. The color to white. I want to change it to white. Everything inside. So since I have given the entire container a color of white, it is going to affect all the HTML content. But if I don't want to do this, I'd have to now either create a class for each of them and give them colors of white, or I could simply use inline styling. So you see from this video, we've been able to reach 80% of what we want, and the next video will be completing this, our very beautiful and lovely website. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.